Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. On the main chat screen, tap the green chat icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select New Group. Now, you will be asked to select participants for your group. Simply tap on the contacts you want to add, and once you are done, tap the green arrow at the bottom right. After that, you will be asked to enter your group name, and you can also add a group photo if you want. Once you have entered the group name and added the photo, tap the green check mark to create your group. And that's it, your WhatsApp group is now ready, and you can start chatting with your friends, family, or team members. You can also manage your group settings later by tapping on the group name at the top. From there, you can add new participants, change the group name, mute notifications, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.